MSI GeForce RTX 3050 Ventus 2X 6G OC. Honest truth, yes, it actually runs Cyberpunk RT. Last week, I watched my nephew absolutely destroy grown men in Valorant using a card that costs less than their mousepads. I just sat there thinking, wait, that's my old MSI GeForce RTX 3050 Ventus 2X 6G OC from 2023. He's still using it in 2025 like it owes him money. Type same if your budget GPU is secretly still cooking.
That quiet panic when you realize your once proud GPU is now getting smoked by new $400 cards, and you're mentally pricing upgrades you can't afford. The low-key depression of turning settings down just to stay above 60 FPS? Keep watching. There's a way to stay completely relevant without selling a kidney.
Then I remembered the MSI GeForce RTX 3050 Ventus 2X 6G OC that's been quietly living in my nephew's rig for 3 years and never once complained. Factory-overclocked boost that actually holds 1807 MHz all day. Dual TORX fans that stay silent until you really push it. 6 GB of GDDR6 that still handles DLSS 3 frame gen like a champ. Single 8-pin that sips power instead of guzzling it. And a cooler so efficient it laughs at 4090 tier loads. One dad was 10 minutes from telling his kid, "Sorry, buddy, we can't play the new games." Slapped this card in, fired up Black Myth Wukong with RT and DLSS, and watched his son's jaw drop at 80 FPS. That's when it hits you. You're not stuck with yesterday's performance, you're just using yesterday's pricing.
A builder with a 300K subchannel says it's still the default 1080p king in 2025 and keeps one in every SFF test bench because nothing beats it for size, noise, and price. Another reviewer with a 13900KS plus 4090 test reg threw it in for fun and hit 72 degrees max while pulling half the power. Tech PowerUp's relative performance charts show it's within spitting distance of cards that cost twice as much today. My nephew's been running it for 3 years, and the fans still sound brand new. Yeah, it's only 6 GB, but when DLSS turns unplayable into locked 120 FPS, and you paid half what everyone else did, that only 6 GB suddenly becomes the smartest 6 GB ever made. This is why thousands of us refuse to upgrade and just smile when people ask, "What GPU is that?" Which would feel better, spending $400 on a new card tomorrow, or realizing the one you have is still perfect? Tell me below.
Join the thousands of builders, parents, and secretly smart gamers who grabbed the MSI GeForce RTX 3050 Ventus 2X 6G OC and simply stopped caring about new GPU launches. Ice cold, dead silent, 1080p locked, wallet happy. If you're ready to stop feeling behind and start feeling smug, I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned. Click it, check it out, no pressure. If it's your kind of magic, awesome. If not, keep spending double. Either way, your electric bill thanks you.